Vivid Sydney celebrates innovation and creativity, and I think that resonates with everyone that visits this amazing city, and really importantly, all the residents as well. Sharing new ideas, challenging our thinking, it's all about the playground of the unexpected, and that's what gets people excited.
I think Vivid Sydney is important for the creative industries every year, but this year, like no other, we've been hit pretty hard, creative industries and lots of businesses across the world. Ephemeral is probably one of the biggest projects we're doing this year, and I think one of the most unique. It's an opportunity for people to actually almost walk inside an art installation, if you like. There's 230 giant spheres that are illuminated and are sitting on Cockle Bay, and you can literally walk across the bay to sort of be in and amongst them.
So there is no better place to put the largest light, music, ideas festival in the Southern Hemisphere than this amazing city. It is a canvas for creative people to come along, to share content, to share ideas and to challenge thinking. So 2021, Sydney, there is no better spot for a celebration like this.